Hey everyone, it's your girl Lady Vintage Bags, and Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope you had a really good and loving time with your friends and family. I know I did. I literally just came back from a family outing at the beach. This was our very first full family outing at the beach in the first time in like a decade, I think. So it was really nice that we all got together, drove down to the beach and had a full fun family day. And now I'm like fully sunburned, like look at that. And I was wearing a shirt. So this is like the tan through the shirt. So let me know, what did you guys do today? Put it down in the comment section. So today I'm really excited to show you everything that I got for Christmas, including things I got for myself, because you guys know I'm a little bit of a shopaholic. So I'm gonna start with everything that I bought myself first, and then I'll end the video with everything that I got from family. Now these two babies need no introduction. You guys know that I just unboxed my two new vintage Gucci bags. So they're both from the Gucci accessories collection. So I'm guessing these are from either the 80s or the 90s. And as you can see, I'm slowly collecting the different color canvases. So I showed you guys in previous videos, I already have the normal brown Gucci monogram coated canvas. So now I have also added this white or ivory coated canvas, which I really like. And now also the navy coated canvas. You guys know I'm a crossbody girl, so these are both crossbody bags. But I do have to use bag organizers with both bags. This one, the interior did degrade, but someone's already cleaned that out, but I didn't want to get the inside of it stained, so I've got a cream bag organizer in there at the moment. And this one, it has the degraded interior still in there, not yet cleaned out. Like you can see, it's degrading there. So I have a bag organizer in there protecting my things from that flaking, peeling interior. So let me know in the comment section, would you be interested in collecting vintage Gucci for yourself? Now, if you guys want to know any more about these bags, like the dimensions, mod shots, what fits, I'll leave the unboxing videos here and you can see more detail about these bags. Next, I bought this neon sign of my channel name as a Christmas gift from myself to myself. So you can see I have changed the background around a little bit. I see so many people on YouTube with these neon signs, and so I wanted to give it a try myself, and I really like pink, so I chose a pink one. So this I got from TEMU. Actually, the font is a little bit wonky. Can you guys see the font there? Like from far, it looks alright, but if you go up a little bit closer, the font is actually not the best, but hey, that's what happens when you buy from TEMU. It's the Wild West out there. But still, you know, for the price that I paid, about 40 Australian dollars, it's not too bad for my first time trying a neon sign from TEMU. So that's the next gift from me to me. So put it down in the comment section. What do you think about this neon sign and my new background? Do you think it's a yay or a nay? Next up are these pairs of Birkenstocks. I have been a Birkenstock wearer for a decade now, and I've been wearing specifically the Mayari model for a decade. But I found the Gizeh model on sale, so I decided to try that as well. But I am truly a Birkenstock Mayari lover. So let me know in the comment section, do you love Birkenstocks? I know they're really ugly, but they are so comfortable for my wide and flat feet. So tell me in the comment section, are you a Birkenstock wearer? And if so, what is your favorite model of Birkenstocks? So this pair I got for about 100 Australian dollars including shipping, and this was about 90 Australian dollars including shipping. How much do you guys normally pay for Birkenstocks? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, I also got this pair of shoes. So these are from Aliexpress. They're about 18 Australian dollars including shipping and GST, which is our 10% tax. So this is like a dupe of the Hermes Oran sandals, but they don't look exactly the same because they have the turn lock there, and they also have this extra line. So it's not a H, it's like a H with a line through it. So I thought that was cute as a dupe, but you know, not too similar of a dupe. It still has its own design, and I really like the turn lock. So that's the next pair of shoes that I got. I thought the price was not bad, $18. That's Australian dollars, not even US dollars. They're not that comfortable. They're like $18 comfortable. Then I went on a thrifting shopping spree. So at the local thrift store, every day or every week, so they have different color tickets on their items for sale, and they keep rotating their sales. So for example, if there's blue tickets, they may say 50% off blue tickets this week, or green tickets, it could be like 30% off green tickets this week. So I usually just go through the racks and see what's available for sale, or sometimes I'll buy things that are not on sale, but you know, because it's thrifted and I really like the item, so it's a great piece. And you guys know me, I'm already a vintage bag wearer, so what's the difference between buying vintage clothes or used clothes, vintage bags? I am not against buying someone else's trash. So first off is this new Christmas dress I got. So this is from an Australian brand called Portman's, which is a very well-known fashion brand. And it's often a go-to for not just casual fashion, but also corporate fashion. So I thought this was a really nice green color that goes well with my skin tone. And I am a puffy sleeve fan. So I thought this dress really suits my taste. So this was, to me, in good used condition. And the Salvation Army store, that's the name of the thrift store, or we call it Salvos, it had it for $20. So usually a dress at Portman's would be over $100 retail. So I thought, you know, for a good condition Portman's dress, that's not a bad price. And it fit me well and I like the design. So the next piece I thrifted was this mustard yellow dress, which has pockets. I love dresses with pockets, and it has an open back as well. And as soon as I felt the material, I knew it was a good quality dress, and it still had the tag on it, but it didn't have the price. So this is a brand called Wilfred. And when I looked it up, it's sold by Aritzia. So this model of dress is discontinued, but there's people in the American Poshmark selling it for like $80 US secondhand. So I thought I did well by scoring this with the tag still on it for 15 Australian dollars. And you just can't beat a dress with pockets. This is another Christmas dress that I thrifted. So this is from a already cheap brand, like it's from a brand called Blossom, which you'll usually find for retail price of under 50 Australian dollars. So it's like a fast fashion sort of label. But I thought it was really nice and flowy. I really like the pleats and I really like the ruffling down here. I like very feminine sort of things. And this was at the thrift store for $5 Australian dollars. So I thought, you know what? Why not? There's no holes, there's no rips. I did have to sort of alter the neckline and pull it up a bit because I'm very flat chested. I'm part of the itty bitty itty committee, if you know what I'm talking about. If anyone else is part of the little itty bitty underline committee, let me know. So I did have to put an extra clip, just a hook on the chest line because, you know, I basically have no chest. So for $5 Australian dollars, you know, why not? Okay, so this is a bit random. I saw this at the thrift store. I still have the thrift store tag on it. So it was also $5 Australian dollars. And this is like a Asian mountainous tribal type of shirt. So in Southeast Asia, countries like Vietnam, China, Laos, Thailand, Cambodia, there are mountainous regions, and in those mountainous regions live tribes. And so this would be of that sort of style. So there's the Hmong people, Mao people, and this would be sort of a similar sort of pattern to which they would have in their clothing. And it has the Chinese Mandarin collar and also, you know, the Chinese style buttons here. So I thought, you know what? Why not? Let's just dig into the Asian heritage a little bit. So I thought this could go well with the Lao skirt that I have shown you guys that I have before, the Lao Sin traditional skirt. So I thought this could be an appropriate choice to wear with it. Also, in keeping with the Asian theme, this is like a sort of grandma type of 3/4 sleeve shirt. It has the Chinese style collar there, and it has these pearl button details here. So this was $4 Australian dollars, but I didn't realize until now the top button is actually missing. There's the button loop and there's no button. But I do have scrap buttons that I bought, like a random scrap button pile. So I will go and check if I have maybe one of these type of buttons there. But yeah, this was just a total impulse buy. So I have actually worn it to the grocery store already because you guys know, like, I'll dress like a grandma, I don't care. And this was one of the ones where the colour of the ticket was half price. So it was $8 Australian dollars and it was half price down to $4 Australian dollars. So I thought, you know, why not? Okay, so now let's get into the things that friends and family got me for Christmas. So one thing I got, now this is just a photo, but I got this photo made into a puzzle for me. It's 200 pieces and I am struggling. I am so bad at puzzles. I can't even get the edge right at the moment. If anyone has any advice for me on, you know, the best way to do puzzles, please let me know because I am struggling. But I thought that was a really great gift. I love it. And you guys know me, I love my dog Lucy. So now I have myself and her immortalized into a puzzle. Next up, I got this dupe for the Bogg Bag. So my niece gifted all of myself and my siblings, which is her mum's siblings, a dupe Bogg bag, and we all went to the beach today and we all brought our bags. And funnily enough, none of us took the tag off, so we're all at the beach with these bags, all with our tags on it. Us typical Asians, you know how we are. I've still got sand in mine. Look, I haven't even taken the sand out yet. But you know what? So I never touched a Bogg bag before, and actually really didn't even, was not even interested in it. But now that I have this Dupe, yeah, I can see why it was popular. It is easy to take it to the beach. And then if there's sand in it or whatever, you can just literally hose it out. So it was a great gift from my niece. Do you guys ever use poncho towels? So here in Australia, poncho towels are pretty popular. And I always wear a poncho towel when I go to the swimming pool. So my mother-in-law got me a new poncho towel, and actually the one I was wearing was a kid's one, so it barely covered my bum. But now I have an adult, proper adult size one that does cover me all the way down, which is especially good for winter time when it's really cold. So this is exactly what I was kind of looking for. So she must have heard me talking about it or something, because then she got me one. So that saves me from having to buy one. And this is, I didn't even know this brand actually did it. This is from a brand called Oodie, which make wearable blankets, which is also another Australian favorite at the moment, and which I have the wearable blanket. But now they make like a wearable towel. Frank Green. I've seen these around, but I just never really knew like what it was about. But then I got a Frank Green bottle gift set. Okay, so let's open it. So this gift set has a big, I think it's a 1 litre bottle. And then I think this is like a 375 ml, like a thermos cup. So these are really good. I think they're stainless steel insulated cups, so you can do hot or cold. So the little one is like a push button for you to drink. And then the big one, so I guess it's like an alternative to a Stanley cup. And so the big one, it comes with this strap so you can hold it, and then you can flip the straw up, but you have to flip it all the way back so it clicks, so then you can drink on it. If you don't do it all the way till it clicks, you can't, the water won't flow through it, which makes it spill proof. So I think this is actually better than a Stanley because it doesn't spill. You can literally have it upside down, like it doesn't matter. You know, you can operate it one-handed. And actually, I didn't realize how, because I've seen my colleagues with these cups, I didn't realize how expensive they were. But it's actually really, like, it's as expensive as the Stanley cup. So I'm really happy with this gift set as well. So let me know in the comments section, what do you think about the gifts I got for myself, including my thrifted items? Which was your favorite there? And what do you think about the gifts that other people got for me? And let me know in the comment section, what was your favorite gift you got this year, whether it's from yourself or anybody else. I'd love to hear about your Christmas, and tell me, if you don't mind, in the comment section where you spent your Christmas. So today for me, it is Boxing Day, which is the day after Christmas, and I spent it at the beach because we are in the middle of a heat wave. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.